Oh, thank you. Wow. Thank you so much. Ang babait ng sister na aking bossing.
Okay?
Ayan, may package. Surprise pala. Kaya pala sabi ng bossing ko magdamit daw ako kasi may visitor. Yung pala isa-surprise nila ako. Thank you. Ayan, and the gifts. Flowers. Yes, sinira na ng mga bata. Thank you, Lord. Ayan. We cut the cake, madam. Ayan. Baby, may pa-headband pa. Where's the chicken, baby? Ayan, 47.
Leslie, 47 and she's still young.